Hello guys, today we will be making a stocking wig, and in order for us to make that wig using a stocking cap, these are the things that we are going to need. So number one, we're going to need a wig cap, and this is the color wig cap we're going to use because it's going to be a blonde wig, okay? This is the hair. We're going to need some Pump It Up spritz. We're going to need some white bonding glue. So this one is white bonding glue, okay? Salon Pro white. We're going to need scissors. We're going to need razor comb. We're going to need a tail comb. Also, before we start making our wig, we're going to need some paper towels. So putting the paper towel on the mannequin, it help the glue to stick on the cap easier, okay? So now we're going to need our scissors, glue, and the hair that we're about to use to start our wig cap. So what you can do is go ahead and measure where you want the hair to stop, the first piece at the bottom. Then you're going to use your scissors and cut. And as you keep going step by step, that's all you need to do, okay? Now I have my bonding glue, and this is a white one. You're going to place it onto the weft of the hair. Okay guys, here we go. So before you put this on, you can always give it a little spray, okay, with your Pump It Up. So this helps the hair to stick to the wig cap. So that is the first piece we're going to do. This is the first piece. Also, if it's not sticking fast enough, you can go ahead and use a blow dryer to blow the weft so it's dry faster and stick faster. Gonna keep measuring as we go, you know, step by step. So that's the second piece. We're gonna cut it right here. Okay. We're going to repeat the same first step that we did before. We're going to put the glue onto the weft, and this is the white glue that we're using. Okay. We're going to put it onto the weft above the first one, and we are going to continue this as we go all the way up, okay? We're going to blow dry. We're going to spray with our Pump It Up, and then we're going to use our blow dry. Okay guys, so we come thus far with my mannequin, with my quick weave. So what just happened is that I already do all around, okay? So I don't start to cut it down or anything as yet. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start to do my finishing up by laying the hair across this way. So we're gonna come from this way, a little slant, all the way to the side. This way until you do quite a bit of them. Then we're gonna close up. Is either we're gonna do the closing where we use the hair in a circular position until it's closed there, or I'm going to use one of those ready-made closure that I have right here. Okay guys, so it's either we're going to do that one or we're going to use one of this one. So it's either I'm going to use this one or I'm going to make my own. Okay, also you can close it at the back, you can close it at the side. It depends on where you want your hair to be, where you want your closure to be. So you can do it any which part you want it. So because I'm going to lay the hair this way, I want to put it on this side. Okay, so you have the sweep going to that side, to the left side. Okay, so example, so what I want to do is this one, come all the way to this side. So when you make the sweep, you don't see where the hair is joined. So from here, you put it attached to the side and you go like that. Okay, and continue doing it in pieces, bits and pieces, until you reach a top where you think that's okay for me. You don't want to do no more, so you just go around in circular position. Guys, you can also do it this way. Any way which is easier for you, go ahead and do. So if you want your hair to look a bit higher, you finish it with this one. You don't want to finish it with this one because this closure is a ready-made closure, and this one is going to make it look a bit flat. So if you wanted to have that kind of spike looking, you finish it yourself, making your own closure. Okay, that's what we're going to do right now. As you go along, you can just wipe that glue off. It's okay. Avoid putting it on the hair. I do it this way because it's easier. for you to just keep, you know. And over in the hair. Keep going around in a circle. We're heading there, guys. You see a closure? So you don't have to use the other closure. Just use this one. Plus, if you want to give your hair a little spike, you know, you don't want it to look too. This lady get tired. You see that? If you want to give it a spike and you want this to ice, you don't use this one. This one is too flat. You want to make your own. So when you get your style, when you cut your hair down, everything is okay. And look in. Okay, guys. Now we're going to do some cutting. So I don't want this part to be flat. I want it to ice. Okay? For a reason. So now we're going to cut into the style that you really want. So I'm going to cut it in the style that I want. So you can cut it in the style that you want. So we're using a razor comb. So we're going to comb it the way how we want it to style. Okay? So guys, we're gonna remove this paper towel from our wig. And then we're gonna do the finish lining up of the wig, okay? We're gonna take these out. We don't need these inside. We put this inside so we can be easier stuck to the cap, all right? And not to the mannequin. Yes. So here you have it, guys. We have the finished product. We did not put any mousse, anything into this hair, okay? We just made it from scratch, cut it down to how you want it, and you are ready to go, okay? So you can like this video, subscribe and share, okay, to help to empower someone else.